Have you ever wondered why some individuals seem to effortlessly navigate life's challenges while others struggle endlessly? In this thought-provoking video, we unveil 15 brutal truths that many choose to ignore or dismiss. These truths hold the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of the world around us and our place within it. Ignore them at your own peril, for without confronting these harsh realities, you may find yourself trapped in a cycle of mediocrity and unfulfilled potential. Hit subscribe and let's get started. Number 1. The harsh reality of inequality. We are not born equal. This is a brutal truth that many choose to ignore. While some are born into privilege, others face discrimination and hardship from the moment they enter this world. For instance, a child born in a war-torn country may face challenges that a child born in a prosperous nation can hardly fathom. Recognizing this disparity is crucial to creating a more equitable society. Number 2. Emotions. The double-edged sword. Emotions are what make us human, yet they can also be our downfall if left unchecked. In the modern world, efficiency often trumps emotion, and those who allow their emotions to dictate their actions may find themselves at a disadvantage. Consider a business executive who makes rash decisions based on anger or jealousy, potentially jeopardizing the company's success. Number 3. Appearance matters. Like it or not, people judge a book by its cover, and your appearance can significantly impact how others perceive you. While this may seem shallow, it is a reality we must acknowledge. A well-groomed professional is more likely to be taken seriously in a job interview than someone who appears unkempt. Investing in your appearance can open doors and opportunities. Number 4. Possessions do not define you. Wealth and possessions do not define a person's worth or character. Many millionaires struggle with unhappiness and superficial relationships, while those with modest means can lead fulfilling lives. Consider the example of a famous celebrity who, despite their riches, struggles with substance abuse and mental health issues, while a humble teacher finds joy in their work and loved ones. Number 5. Living versus existing. There is a profound difference between merely existing and truly living. Too many people become trapped in a mundane routine, forgetting to experience the world around them. A person who travels, explores new hobbies, and embraces life's adventures is truly living, while someone who spends their days in a monotonous cycle is merely existing. Number 6. Thoughts versus actions. Thinking about achieving a goal is vastly different from taking action to make it a reality. Many people have grand ideas and ambitions, but never follow through with concrete steps. Consider an aspiring writer who dreams of publishing a novel but never finds the discipline to complete the manuscript. Without action, thoughts remain mere fantasies. Number 7. The pursuit of happiness. While many believe that wealth, fame, and success are the keys to happiness, the truth is more nuanced. These factors can certainly contribute to a fulfilling life, but true happiness often stems from helping others and making a positive impact. A wealthy philanthropist who uses their resources to support worthwhile causes may find greater contentment than a self-absorbed celebrity. Number 8. Life as a competition. Life is a competition, whether we like it or not. Those who refuse to acknowledge this reality may find themselves left behind. However, it's essential to recognize that the ultimate competition is with oneself, striving to become the best version of who you can be. An athlete who constantly pushes themselves to break personal records is engaged in a healthy competition with their past self. Number 9. The masks we wear. We all wear different masks depending on the social situation, presenting ourselves in a way that we hope will be accepted by others. This behavior is rooted in our survival instincts and the desire to further our own agendas. A politician, for instance, may present a carefully crafted public persona that differs from their private self. Number 10. Breaking the cycle of poverty. The poor often remain poor, not due to a lack of opportunity, but because they fail to acquire the necessary tools and mindset for success. Education, discipline, creativity, and hard work are the keys to breaking free from poverty. Consider the example of a self-made entrepreneur who escaped poverty through determination and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Number 11. Finding true happiness. True and lasting happiness often comes from making a positive impact on others, not solely focusing on one's own desires. Many individuals chase material possessions or fame only to find themselves unfulfilled. An animal rights activist who inspires others and makes a difference in their lives may experience a deeper sense of happiness than a wealthy individual focused solely on their own pleasures. Number 12. Busy does not equal productive. Many people confuse being busy with being productive. They may fill their days with urgent tasks, but those tasks may not contribute to their long-term goals or personal growth. A successful entrepreneur, for instance, may prioritize strategic planning and business development over mundane administrative tasks. Number 13. Embracing mortality. We are all mortal, and everyone we know will eventually pass away, including ourselves. While this truth may seem morbid, it can also serve as a powerful reminder to cherish the present moment and the relationships in our lives. A person who has faced a near-death experience may have a renewed appreciation for life and a greater sense of urgency to pursue their dreams. Number 14, the 5-year rule. Many of the problems and stresses we face today will likely be insignificant in 5 years. Applying the 5-year rule can help prioritize what truly matters and what is merely a fleeting concern. A couple arguing over a trivial matter may find that it holds no relevance in the grand scheme of their relationship if they consider how it will impact their lives in 5 years. Number 15, our cosmic insignificance. In the grand scheme of the universe, we are merely tiny organisms on a rock floating through space. This perspective, known as the overview effect, can profoundly change our perception of life's challenges and worries. An astronaut who has witnessed the Earth from space may have a deeper appreciation for the fragility of our planet and the interconnectedness of all life. If you find yourself intrigued by the prospect of a life unburdened by the harsh truths we've explored, one where you can embrace the freedom to live authentically and pursue your dreams without constraint, then keep watching. Our previous videos delve deeper into the mindset, strategies, and actions necessary to break free from the shackles of societal norms and limitations. Uncover the surprises that await those willing to confront these brutal truths head-on and embark on a journey toward genuine fulfillment and financial freedom.